Alright, we got the blackberries coming. You see they bloom. Get closer for y'all. See they bloom. And then that right there fall off. And then those turn into blackberries right there. See the flowers. The other video I got, they shadow banned that one or something. I don't know. It only got like 25 views, but I don't care. I ain't doing it for the views. I told you everything. This channel gonna have some of everything on it. You never know what you're gonna see. But yeah, they grow wild out here, so I'm just gonna let them take over and do what they do because they medicine. So try to pick a few of them and freeze a few of them and make some blackberry wine. I'm sure it's gonna be good, especially when I get good at making them. But yeah, they done overtook my azaleas. They'll overtake everything, but I don't care. Yeah, got some old wild blackberries coming medicine. Look them up, see how healthy blackberries are. Free medicine. And it's the bees pollinating them. The bees helping the bees out. Something for the bees and stuff to keep stuff thriving. Yeah. So next video I show y'all, they should be starting to look good and crazy. This was something else up here. Some flowers or something up here, but the blackberries took them over, took over, so I let them take over. Because you can actually do something to eat them. But yeah, they on the way. I got them growing other places too. See them? On the way.